Inside your ears are tiny canals filled with fluid that help you stay balanced, kind of like a built-in level tool. But in space, that fluid floats around and confuses your brain. Can you imagine not knowing which way is up? I'm ESA astronaut John McFall, and today we're training like astronauts with some fun balancing acts. You'll need a ball and a wall and a bit of space. So to start with, stand a few meters from the wall. Lift one foot up so your thigh is level with your hip. Now, bounce the ball off the wall and then catch it without dropping your foot or the ball. Try it for 30 seconds and count your catches. Now, try it with your friends. Stand in a circle, one foot up, and toss the ball to each other while staying balanced. No touching the ground. Now your inner ears, eyes, and feet are used to Earth's gravity and help you balance on Earth. But in space, gravity isn't pulling on your body in the same way. So astronauts have to train their brains and bodies to stay balanced. Astronauts rely on this kind of training to stay safe and sharp in space. Great job testing your balance system, inner ears and all. You've got this, Space Explorers.